Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Crypto Rewind, and this is just in case you missed it.
It's all about having the key insights, following the leaders of the crypto industry and background stories on blockchain technology trends to keep you one step ahead. Monty Metzger, CEO of LCX.com, keeps you up to speed with what's moving global crypto markets and gives you the latest insights about LCX's platform and ecosystem. This is LCX Insights Live.
Welcome to LCX Insights Live. I'm super excited and thrilled to welcome you all on this Wednesday. It's May 19th, 2021, an exciting day and an exciting LCX Insights Live session. In our Insights Live sessions, I'm always engaging with the world's top blockchain projects, entrepreneurs and investors, and pioneers in crypto and in blockchain in honest conversations meant to challenge traditional ways of thinking. My name is Monty Metzger. I'm founder and CEO at LCX.com. LCX is a regulated fintech company that focuses on digital asset trading, compliant token offerings, and tokenization. LCX recently received 8 blockchain-related approvals by the Liechtenstein regulator, more than any other company in the country. Liechtenstein itself is a country next to Switzerland and Austria in the middle of Europe and has received a AAA country rating from Standard & Poor's. That's the highest country rating a country can get. Liechtenstein has introduced the most forward-thinking legal framework for cryptocurrencies and blockchain companies, providing legal clarity and security for LCX users. So today's show title is The Truth About Enterprise Blockchain in Interoperability. And I'm excited to welcome a special guest. Our guest has over 20 years of cybersecurity experience and C-level accountability as a CIO and CTO. He is recognized as a pioneer in cybersecurity and digital ledger technology, DLT. He has held senior roles in UK and Australian governments, working in Downing Street, HM's Treasury at the Cabinet Office, and so on. Also, I had been working in private sector at MasterCard, PwC, HSBC, and he is one of the first to understand the importance of interoperability in driving mass adoption of blockchain-based infrastructures. So already back in 2015, he created the blockchain ISO standard TC307, which has since then become an international effort with 53 countries involved and working together to standardize the technology. He is also chair of the UK's National Committee on Blockchain and Distributed Ledger Technologies, as well as the Interoperability Working Group for ISO. He also sits on the committee of the Federal Reserve, the European Union's Blockchain Observatory, Pay UK's Cybersecurity Board, and UK Government's DLT Committee. He is known to be the CEO and founder of Quant on Quant Network. Please welcome Mr. Gilbert Verdian. Let's activate him here. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Monty. Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
Yes, we are excited to have you here as well. And this will be a lively discussion. Everybody is invited to post their questions. Just post them on YouTube in the comment section and we'll pick the best questions. For the best question, we are also giving away an award. So today we're giving away one of our LCX caps. So we'll pick the best question afterwards and then let you know on Twitter who won this. So let's get right into that. LCX Insights Live, the truth about enterprise blockchain and interoperability. So Gilbert, what is Quant? Let's start with that question.
Thank you, Monty. So Quant, we're a technology platform. We've solved interoperability between permissioned and permissionless DLTs. What we're doing today is not only enabling interoperability, but enabling the connectivity between networks, so distributed ledger networks. And that's the core of our technology, is about connectivity and allowing that seamless adoption from a enterprise use and a developer use perspective, simplifying how blockchains operate because they're extremely complex, and enabling that to be really fit for the future. You know, we want our technology to be embedded at the core of governments, of infrastructure, of enterprise, and for it to be there for the next 10, 30, 20 years or more.
Excellent. Yeah, I think that's a good first introduction now about what you do. But there are a few components, and let's break it down step by step, and then you can explain. So first of all, there is the QNT token, the Quant token. It's also traded at LCX Exchange at exchange.lcx.com. Gilbert, what is the Quant token and what are the token economics behind it?
Yeah, thank you. So the QNT token is something that we minted in 2018 as a way to secure the network and as a way to bill and charge for licenses and for the utilization and the utility of the network. So at its pure sense, we did everything to the core as making it as a utility token. And it's actually evolved. So QNT is with what's coming in the first half of 2021, which is not that long from now. The Overledger network is going live. We'll be having anyone hosting gateways to run their own gateway on their own servers and their infrastructure. That means they will pay for licenses in QNT, and all the transactions can be billed using QNT across the network. And so our job is to create this open ecosystem where anyone can be a participant. We're busy in the background bringing enterprise and institutional use cases to the network. We have lots and lots of meetings every week with governments, with enterprise, with institutions, with clients who want to build new technology and new what we call MDApps, so multi DLT, distributed applications on top of the network. So the QNT token is at the core of everything that we're doing. And what happens is if you own gateways and you run this on the network, when you process transactions, you get paid in QNT. It's a great ecosystem that we're building, and this will evolve. We want to make it the currency and the payment option for all the data and the transactions that are being put on the network, so people can actually trade in QNT, and it can be used for hundreds and hundreds of use cases around AI, data. If you want to do an MDApp on payments, if you want to do an MDApp as an exchange, if you want to do anything, computes, if you want to create like an AWS equivalent on the Overledger network, all of this is possible. So QNT has just become that pure utility token that can be used for everything.